Hi everyone, it's Civil Engineering Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to print or plot an AutoCAD drawing to PDF. To watch all the videos on this channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get regular updates from Civil Engineering Tutorials. Also like this video in case you find it helpful. So let's get started. To plot a drawing as a PDF, you can use plot command from this quick access toolbar. So here click on plot or click here, go to print. Here you can see plot command. So here also you can give plot command, click here, or you can also type plot command on your command bar. Type plot or you can type Ctrl P. Ctrl P is the shortcut key of plot command. So you can also type Ctrl P from your keyboard. So that will also initiate the plot command. After giving plot command, you might get this dialog box. You can see this dialog box. So here you need to select continue to plot a single sheet. Continue to plot a single sheet. Click here. Now the plot dialog box is opened. In this dialog box, go to Printer Plotter panel and click on this drop down menu. This is the drop down menu. Click here. Now select. Here you need to select DWG to PDF.pc3 plotter configuration. So this plotter configuration you will find in AutoCAD 2009 and in all later versions. But you will see some other enhancement in new versions. So this is DWG to PDF.pc3. You will see this configuration in AutoCAD 2009 and in all later versions. You can see here AutoCAD PDF general documentation, AutoCAD PDF high quality print, AutoCAD smallest file, AutoCAD PDF web and mobile application. So these are the, you can see these options are used to generate different qualities of PDF drawings. You can see here, these are the other options. But here I'll select DWG to PDF.pc3. I'll show you. This is AutoCAD 2010 version. Now here I'll give plot command. So here you can see only DWG to PDF.pc3. Here you can't see other options, as this is AutoCAD 2010 version. So here you can see only this option. This is AutoCAD 2017. So here we can see all other options. Okay. These are the other options. So these options are used to generate different qualities of PDF drawings. But right now I'll use DWG to PDF.pc3. If you need to change the configuration of this plotter, then click on PDF option. This is a virtual plotter. So from here you can change the quality of vector drawing. Now this is set to 600 dots per inch. Now raster MS quality, this is 600 dot per inch. Now raster MS quality 400 dots per inch. Now if you want to change, you can change here. So you can change this according to your requirement. From here also, this is the data panel. Here also you can change the value as per your requirement. Click on OK. I'm not going to change anything. So now I have selected plotter DWG to PDF PC3. I'll keep center to the plot, center to plot, fit the paper. Now window, select window. I need to select the drawing. Select here to here. Okay. So make other changes if required. Now fit to paper, center the plot. Now I'll click on preview. Here you can see the preview of the drawing. This is the preview of the drawing. Now go back. Now click on OK. Now you need to specify the location where you want to save the drawing. Here I'll save in desktop. So click desktop. If you want to rename, you can rename it. I don't want to rename. So click on save button. File type is PDF. Now click on save. Save it. Now this is the PDF file. You can see here. Here this is the PDF of the plot. I'll show you. I'll show you the file on its location. On desktop you can see here. This is the PDF file. So the main advantage of using this plotter is its layer. You can turn off and turn on the layers. All the layers you can turn off and turn on. Click here. Now these are the layers you can see. Now here you can turn off and turn on all the layers according to your requirement. I'll turn off text layer. Now you can see we can't see text now. Turn off window. You can't see window now. Turn off charger. You can see here. So this is the main advantage using this plotter. You can turn off. I have turned off stop column. Turn off column now. Turn off door. Now again I turned on. You can turn off and turn on according to your requirement. So this is the advantage of using this plotter. You can see here. Turn off text layer. Again I'll turn on all the layers. You can see. So this is the advantage of using this plotter. You can use your layer. You can turn on and turn off your layers. So hope you understand. So now again plot. Now this is DWG to PDF PC3. Now I'll select. These options are used to generate high quality PDF drawings. This is DWG to PDF.PC3. I'll show you by using other plotters. Suppose I'll select this AutoCAD PDF general documentation. Now select window. Make your window selection. Preview. You can see this is the drawing. Now click on OK. Now location same desktop. I'll rename this as 1. Now click on save. So you can see this is the PDF file. So only difference is other options are used to generate different qualities of PDF drawings. in this plotter also you can use your layer. Means you can turn on and turn off your layer. So hope you understand how to print or plot an AutoCAD drawing to PDF. So hope you like this video. Now if you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.